We'll guide you through how to solve the error MySQL shut down unexpectedly in Xampp. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We're now handing over to Pausa.
If you are seeing the MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error in Xampp, don't worry, this is a fairly common issue and can be usually fixed without reinstalling Xampp or losing your databases. And as you can see on my screen, my SQL is running normally when I click on start, and now you can see it has been successfully started. But if you are experiencing it on your computer, just follow these steps carefully and you should be able to get MySQL working once again. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop the MySQL server and then completely close Xampp control panel. And after closing, just go ahead and open your file explorer and now go to the folder where you have your Xampp installed. In my case, it's local disk C, and here it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and open Xampp, and here you will see MySQL folder. Just go ahead and open MySQL folder, and now you will see the folder labeled as data. So basically just select the data and right click and choose to rename, and rename it to something like data old or something like data 1 and hit enter, so it's easy for you to distinguish later. And now just go ahead and right click on the empty space and create a new folder, and you can name it to data and hit enter. And now just go to the data 1 or data old or whatever you renamed and just go inside the folder, and here you will see different folders. So just go ahead and select all of the folders, and now after selecting all folder, just go ahead and hold Control key on your keyboard and unselect MySQL Performance Schema, phpMyAdmin, and Test. And after that, just go ahead and select IB Data 1 and just press Control C to copy and go to MySQL folder and go to the data that you created earlier and press Control V to paste it here. Now go to MySQL once again and go inside the backup folder, and here press Control A to select all and deselect IB data 1, and then press Control C and go to MySQL and then go to data, and here just go ahead and press Control V to paste all. Once done, you can just go ahead and close File Explorer and then reopen Xampp. So I'm just gonna open Xampp, and now if the repair was successful, MySQL should start normally without showing the MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error. You can then start Apache as usual if your project requires it. This method works in many cases where the issue is caused by corrupted system table, and it allows you to restore MySQL without reinstalling Xampp. And that's it. That's how you solve the MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error in Xampp. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.